Hello everyone, welcome to the BFM Manthan series. Now in Manthan series, as you know, we are covering all the subjects of CIB, compulsory ones, ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all the numericals, objective questions, case studies, previous year questions, all these are covered. So follow the complete series, share it with your friends, like the videos, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Today I'll be dealing with asset classification and provisioning norms. Asset classification means this is a part of module D, BFM. Very important. I'll be dealing in numericals today, only numericals, complete numericals. So follow the video till the end. Very important numericals, sir. A bank has a total loans and advances of 500 crores. Of these, rupees 50 crores have been classified as NPA. It has made a provision of bad debts totaling to rupees 80 crore. What is the gross NPA? And let's say not net NPA also, both. Gross NPA and I'll ask you both, and net NPA, both of them. Both of them I want, gross and net. Think. Ratio means gross NPA and net NPA ratio. We want ratio. Think over it. Firstly, understand the relationship between gross NPA and net NPA. Net NPA equals to, kindly note, net NPA equals to gross GNPA. I'll directly write it. Minus provision, whatever is the provision. Okay, so that is the meaning of net NPA. Now in this case, let's first get the things very straight. What are the total advances? 500 CR. So total is 500. Okay, let's forget all this CR now. Okay, 500. Let's find out net NPA. What is gross NPA given? 50 CR. So 50 minus provision. What is provision? 80. So minus 30. Kindly note this minus 30 has huge significance. Some of you will say, how can net NPA be in minus? I'll give you all this. Kindly note. See, firstly, you want gross NPA ratio. What is the formula for gross NPA ratio? GNPA equals to GNPA ratio equals to, I'll just write G now, G upon total, T. G upon T. What is G? 50. 50 upon, what is T? Total 500 into 100. Means everything in percentage is 100. Right? So equals to. So it is what? 10%? 10%. Gross NPA. First ratio you got it. GNPA. Net NPA is what? Minus 30. So actually this net NPA is 0. Net NPA equals to 0. Why? Because I have more provisions than my NPAs. I have more provisions. See, my provision is 80. Right? Provision is 80. And my gross NPA is 50. So what have I done? My provision is more, got it, than my net, than my NPA. So my net NPA becomes 0. So my net NPA ratio equals to 0. N upon T. So 0. But what to do with this minus 30? I had a NPA of 50, I made a provision of 80. So what to do with this remaining 30? This I have to transfer it back to P&L account. See, this minus 30 means it will be transferred back to transfer. Because ultimately from where did this money come? To P&L. This amount has come from the profit, P&L account. This amount has actually come from the profit. So if it has come from the profit, I must transfer it back to the profit only. isn't it? I'll transfer it back to the profit. So that's why I said this minus 30 has a huge significance. Got it, everyone? Move on. A loan account is overdue for 70 days. How would it be classified based on the special mention account categories? 70 days. 70. Now get back, everyone. Go through your whatever you have studied. Yeah, go through it. What does it say? SMA 1, we call it SMA, right? SMA 0. 0 is what? From 0 to 30 days. 0 to 30 days. If my loan is overdue for 0 to 30, then it's called as SMA 0. 1, 31 to 60 days. 2, SMA 2, 61 to 90 days. And above 90 days, it is substandard, NPA then. So here it is overdue for what? 70 days. So this category. So it is SMA 2. It will be mentioned as SMA 2. Okay, SMA 2. Kindly note, your term loans can have SMA 0, 1, 2, but your CC, cash credit, can never have SMA 0. CC will always be SMA 1 and 2 only. It will never have SMA 0. CC will never have SMA 0. Okay, CC will never have SMA 0. Not only CC, any OD type of account. Any OD type of account will never have SMA 0. Next. A bank has a substandard asset with an outstanding balance of rupees 100 lakhs. So substandard, already it's mentioned, it's a SS. The realizable value of the security held against this asset is rupees 60 lakh. So security is 60 lakhs. 100 lakhs is the loan. So let's write it. Loan is 100 lakhs. Security 60 lakhs. Calculate the provision required for this asset. CGTMSE cover is 75%. So 75% is the CGTMSE cover. So now first understand substandard. Substandard provisioning is what? What is the provisioning for substandard? SS provisioning. Provision for standard asset means not standard, for secured part. Secured part, the provisioning is 15%, 1/5. And for unsecured part, the provision is 25%. For secured part, provisioning is 15%. For unsecured part, provisioning is 25%. Got it? 25%. But it is for unsecured part. And that also where no security, no fallback, nothing is available. So in this case, look at this. What is the secured part? 60 lakhs. So 60 lakhs is the secured part. So on this 15% into 15%, keep it very simple. 15 6 is 90, right? So 9 lakhs. This is the provision for your secured part. 9 lakhs. What about unsecured part? Unsecured part is what? 40 lakhs. So unsecured equals to 40 lakhs. But CGTMSE cover is there. Kindly note, CGTMSE cover is central government for media MSMEs. That is the insurance given. But that is always given on the unsecured part only. So CGTMSE cover is always on the unsecured part. So 75% of this 40 lakhs. Okay, so unsecured means what? 40 lakhs into 75%. What is that? 30 lakhs. So this I am having CGTMSE cover. So I am already insured for this part. If I am insured for this part, for this 30 lakhs, I need not make the provision then. So provision is for what then? The remaining part. What is the remaining one? 40 minus 30. So that is equal to 10 lakhs. For 10 lakhs I have to make the provision. But what is the rule? For unsecured, provisioning is 25%. So 10 lakhs into 25%. So that is equal to 2.5 lakhs. So what is my total provision? My total provision becomes 9 plus 2.5. So it is net total provisioning is 11.5 lakhs. This much is my total provision. Everyone pay attention very sincerely. Okay, this is my total provision. Got it, everyone? 11.5 lakhs is my total provision. Okay. Assume 20%. We are in substandard, no? Substandard. Remove this, huh? This line is of no use. Because for substandard loan, this is not the provision. 2500. It is 1525. Okay. It is 1525. This 2500 is for doubtful one. Okay. 2500 is for doubtful one. Got it? Next. An agricultural loan of long duration crop has an installment overdue for one crop season. How would this loan be classified? Now think. Agri loan, long term means what is that? Long duration crop. So kindly note, long duration crop, that becomes NPA when? This becomes NPA if the loan repayment is not done for two crop seasons. Okay. But what is given over here? It is overdue for only one crop season. So it will be what? SMA then? NPA will not be there. So NPA is out. Substandard means NPA only. That is also out. So what is the answer? SMA 2 or standard asset? Think, everyone, give me the answer. What will be the answer over here? SMA 2 or substandard, or what is the standard? So it will be nothing SMA 2. It is standard asset. It will be standard asset. Kindly note. It will be standard asset. Read this. Read this, everyone. A bank has a substandard asset with outstanding balance of 200 lakhs. The loan is fully secured by collateral with a realizable value of 150 lakhs. CGTMSE cover is 40 lakhs. How much provision must the bank make for this asset? So what is the provision required over here? Let's calculate. What is the loan amount? Loan is 200 lakhs. Loan equals to 200, right? Fully secured by security of 150. So secured part is 150. What is the unsecured part? Unsecured part is 50. 150 plus 50, 200. But out of this 50, 40 lakhs is CGTMSE. CGTMSE equals to 40. So what is my unsecured portion? Net unsecured. Unsecured equals to 10 lakhs. Right? 10. So now focus. Now give me the provisions. For the secured part, it is 150 into, what is the provision for substandard? Substandard provision is, just now we saw it, secured is 15%, 15, unsecured is 25%, right? 15, 25. So here, secured 150 into 15%, 15%. So it will be, what is the answer? 15, 15 are 225, right? 225. So I think so 22.5, right? Upon 100, 22.5. Yeah. And this is for secured part. Secured. And for unsecured, it is 10 into 25%. So 10 into 25%, 25%. So 2.5 lakhs. So what is my total answer then? 22.5 plus 0.5. So that is equal to 23.25. So provision equals to 25 lakhs. That is my final answer. Provision equals to 25 lakhs. Got it, everyone? Provision is 25 lakhs. Clear? Move on. You must understand the provisions. Suppose if I give you the same loan over here, let's say in doubtful one, if I give you. Okay, let me calculate this. In doubtful one, same loan is in doubtful one. Now I'll just write the main parts. Okay, doubtful one, D1. What is the provision for D1? Doubtful one. Doubtful one means 1 year after substandard. So it is 2500. 25%, secured is 25% and unsecured is 100%. So here in this case, if this is the loan, then secured part is what? 150. So 150 into 25%. 150 into 25%. So what is that? 150 into 25%. Do it, everyone. It's tough, right? 150 into 25%. Do it. Let me also try. $150 into 25% means 0.25. So 37.5. Okay, so it will be 37.5. So here the provisioning is 37.5. What about this unsecured part? You are having a coverage also, right? So CGT 40, so 10 lakhs only. So provision equals to 10 lakhs. This is 100%. 10 lakhs into 100%. So that is equal to 10. So your total provisioning is what? 47.5 lakhs. In case it is D1. In case it is D1, then that. Again, if it is D2, then this becomes 40%. 15 4s are 60. So this will be what? 60 lakhs and this is complete 100. So 70 lakhs will be the provision. For D2, pay attention everyone. Provisioning is very simple. Doubtful one is 2500. Doubtful 2 is 4000. And then loss is 100. Okay? Got it? Clear? A loan account was classified as substandard on April 1, 2024. As of December 1, 2026, it continues to be an NPA. Now 26 is future, but let's calculate. For example, what is the provisioning requirement if the asset, for this asset, if the outstanding balance is 50 lakhs and it's considered fully secured? So fully secured, complete secured. So it is what? Substandard on April 1, 2024. So let's calculate this. April 1, 2024, it was substandard. Okay. So it was started as this. So it will go up to about 1 year. So April 1, 2025, this will be D1, doubtful one on this date. April 1, 2025, it will be doubtful one. So this will go up to what? April 1, 2026. It will be D2. This will continue up to what? For 2 years. So April 1, 2028. It will be a loss asset. So this, right now we are in December. So we are under this category, D2 category. So for D2 category, what are the provisions? See what is given, it is fully secured. Okay, what is the provision if balance is 50 lakhs and it is considered fully secured? So fully secured and 50 lakhs. So 50 lakhs, right? 50 lakhs and fully secured. So secured loan, there is nothing unsecured, right? So fully secured loan. So what do you do in this? What do you do in this? Fully secured. It is in D2 category. D2 is 40%, right? 40%. So 50 into 40%. 5 was a 20. So 20 lakhs will be the provision. Provision is 20 lakhs, right? So that was it about this provisioning norms today, right? I would suggest you join the new batches of Adda 24/7. They have just started. Join it ASAP. Okay? See this. CIB. Go for the batches immediately because they have just now started. Look at this. Officers batch. Okay? This is for JAIIB and Officers Pro is for CIB. E-books, mock tests, online live classes, recorded sessions, everything you are having. All of these. Plus, you are getting this online live classes and recorded ones also. If you miss out, you can get through the recorded sessions. But for that, you will have to use the code Y432. Y432. Kindly remember, don't forget this code. By this code, you will be getting 80% discount. 80 plus 1% extra. This 1% you will get it if you download through the app. First download the app and then purchase. Download the app, then you will get 1% extra, 81%. So, never forget the code. Also, you can join the Mahapack. Increment Mahapack is one of the best Mahapacks for you. CIB Increment Mahapack. Right now, you are getting double validity. Buy for 6, get it for 12 months. Buy for 12, get it for 24 months. Huge. Plus 81% discount. Plus 15 plus batches per subject. Plus e-books, plus physical books. Everything is plus. But never forget the code. The code is same. Y432. Y432. Okay? 81% plus double validity plus this e-books plus mock test plus 15 plus batches. Everything is plus. Go for it. Okay?